People, Lloyd Switari. My question without notice is directed to the Prime Minister. While you may move towards our 50th anniversary, appreciate him independence blame me. Na relationship blame me one time Australia, you may enhance him. Lord time. There's some legacy issues, colonialism, Papua New Guinea, that has not been dealt with. Now, people blow me Popondetta. Up till now, about 3 generations have been asking for some answers as to what happened in the 50s going towards the 60s. About 20 Orkawa men were beheaded, hanged publicly at Higaturu government station. And when we received independence, that was an investigation into that never occurred. We forgot about it completely. And so these questions have been continuously asked by my people in Northern Province. And so I thought that I would bring it up on the floor of Parliament to bring it to our good Prime Minister. One, is he aware that there was these issues that occurred a few years before independence in this country? And if it is true, is there a way this government with the Australian government can sit down and talk, do an investigation into this particular matter and put it to rest if it means compensating the families of those people that were publicly hanged at that time, so that it can rest our legacy issues whilst we move forward in this country. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
The Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, I'd like to thank you long, Member Long, Ijibitari, for asking this question. In as far as these matters are concerned, nothing has surfaced through our government level for us to interface with Canberra. We do have annual ministerial dialogues and annual leadership dialogue with our counterparts in Australia. I want to ask the good leader representing Sweephall to put in writing the issues that he's raised, and we could appropriately deal with it and report back to this Parliament and to himself at an appropriate time. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.